Hey everybody, welcome to the Bold Patents Tulsa, Oklahoma page. I'm JD Hoovener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I'm excited to walk you through the top 5 resources for entrepreneurs and business owners just like you right here in Tulsa. So as an entrepreneur myself, having started this law firm, this is near and dear to me. I know how hard it is for inventors, business owners, even technologists, right? Detail-oriented individuals like you, how daunting it can be to want to start and plan and grow a company. And so I've got these resources for you because it does take sometimes a village to get this thing started, to get your startup launched, to find the right team and to move your business forward. So without further ado, let's go through these top 5. My first one is by far and away my most highly recommended one here in Tulsa, called The Forge. The Forge. It's a certified business incubator. I'm not sure who does all the certification, but an incubator is an application-only, invite-only type of program. If you're able to apply and get into The Forge, it's mentorship, it's curriculum, it's learning about what it takes to start and grow a business, co-working space, which I love because a lot of inventors or business startups can feed off of each other, off of other startups. You can learn a ton. So check out The Forge. A startup that just came out of The Forge is Bodle Learning, might be Bodle Learning. They're game-based. They've gamified K-12 education. It's an awesome thing. Check them out. Anyway, don't miss The Forge. Number 2, it's called 36 Degrees North. It's a tech-focused incubator, also one you have to apply into. This one focuses more on high-growth tech startups, where it's all about getting the right capital, networking with the right VCs or angel investors, training in workspace, and it's got a lot of backbone of where Tulsa's innovation push has been coming from. Sway Medical launched out of 36 Degree North. They're FDA certified for software and for balance for neurological assessment. So a biotech startup came out of 36 Degree North. So check them out. Number 3 is iStart, just like the iPhone, but iStart. This is a nonprofit, so a 501c3 accelerator. A little bit different than an incubator. An accelerator is also one we have to apply to, but they're really focused on one particular niche. And this one is hardware, software implementation. This is one-on-one mentorship, workshops, and rapidly growing. One also thing to caution you about, so iStart, I'm not sure if this one offers it, but there can be situations where incubators or accelerators will want equity. They want to take an interest in your company or your patents or inventions. I say pump the brakes. When this happens, make sure you check with an attorney. Work with a business attorney or a patent attorney to make sure you're going down the right route in a protected approach. So speak with them, talk about before you take a timeout, before you sign up for any of their equity programs, sign any contracts, make sure you review it with a state licensed attorney in Oklahoma, or if you're formed outside of the state, make sure you get a state specific attorney to take a look at it to make sure you're not going to be getting into something that'll mess you up down the road. All right, number 4 is the ACT, the ACT Accelerator. This is a time, it's a 6 month, so half a year equity free. So they emphasize no equity at the ACT Accelerator. This is really focused on a specific group of Black and Latino led startups. So if you are a Black or Latino inventor, they have got funding for you. This is money they have to spend. So they're looking for you. Go apply to the ACT House. This is a lot of different industries. They just funded 45 plus startups since their beginning. And they've now generated over $4 million in revenue. So they deliver, not just little tiny bits of help, if you will. They're putting real money down on inventors that are Black and Latino. Number 5, this is called Gradient. The Gradient Technology Incubator is the largest tech incubator in Tulsa. It's got 40 enabled startups. They're offering mentorship, investor access, tax incentives, and operational resources. Tulsa Remote was a notable startup that just came out of there. Tulsa Remote leverages Gradient's workspace and community, connecting remote professionals with local startup support. So check them out. Don't miss them in Tulsa. Now, of course, if you have any questions related to inventions, patenting, trademarking, or other areas of intellectual property, please do reach out to us here. Book a free discovery call. We'd love to help you. Everybody, have an awesome day out there in Tulsa. I'm JD, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm, wishing you a great day. Go big, go bold.